and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you guys an unboxing that I got from Llewellyn, Savvy Coupon Shopper. She surprised me. I was not expecting this at all. I wanted to surprise her, and I got her just like a little gift for her and her family to watch, and I texted her because I wanted her to make sure she knew it was coming, because I'm like, Llewellyn, I just want to give you a heads up. There's a package coming. It's just something I wanted to surprise you on, and I just gave her like a little box. And then she's like, oh, I have something for you too. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then she texted me and she's like, I'm sending you 3 boxes. And I'm like, what? Yeah, you guys, like, she brought me 3 of these giant boxes. Llewellyn, you did not have to do that. And I texted her, she's like, oh, I just love Christmas. And I'm like, I love Christmas too, but you did not have to do this. So one of these boxes is for me. One of them is for Ben, and the other one's for Charlotte. So I'm going to show you guys my box and Charlotte's box, and then I'm going to bring Ben down and share with you guys on that. So I'm going to try to be as quick as I can, because I don't want to bore you guys, but I'm just going to say, Llewellyn, thank you very much. I was not expecting this. I'm always like to be I'm a person who's a generous person. Like, I always like to give gifts out, you know, and like, that's just the type of person I was, and I wanted to surprise her with what I got, and then she goes and does this to me, and I'm like, Llewellyn, seriously. So, and then I says, well, do you want me to open it, you know, on my own or on camera? And she's like, let's open it on camera, because it's nice to see our reaction to things. You know, sometimes when you don't get to be there, you're like, oh, I wonder how they like the gift. So I got it open, and she wrote, Merry Christmas, Jen. Wishing you and your family a blessed holiday and a happy new year. I hope 2020 is an awesome year for you and your family, your friend, Llewellyn. Okay, lots of these. I have to bring a garbage bag down. Okay, so there's no order for everything, which is good, because I don't do very well with orders sometimes. But this feels like, ooh, it's the Little Mermaid. Oh my gosh! Flavored lip gloss. I love this. I love this, you guys. So it's the Little Mermaid. I don't know what flavor this is. Berry flavored, and it's like her little shout. That is so adorable. And apple flavored from Snow White. These are so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's all you could have got me, Llewellyn, and I would have been a happy camper. Okay, so the next thing is like a little flat thing. Okay. I'm just going to rip this open, you guys. I don't want to break this. Ooh, it's an ornament. Friends, you're the happy to my holidays. You know what? I was actually going to buy this. I was actually going to buy this and give this to you. It's crazy. That is awesome. Love it. I'm going to put that on my Christmas tree right away when I go upstairs. Okay. This looks interesting. Wrapped it all. Ooh. Little. Aww. Cute. So this looks, is it a nutcracker? It is a nutcracker. Do they open? No, they don't. But they look. No, their sweaters are in the way. That's cute. It's a dog and a cat, like, nutcracker. And it says 2019. And they got little sweaters on. Now, I always have an ugly sweater party every single year. So this is perfect. And Ben loves nutcrackers. That is awesome. I love it. Just so cute. So cute. Okay. Now we got a brown paper bag. Ooh, it's some makeup. Ooh, raw sugar. I've actually wanted to try this stuff. I have yet to get it, but I wanted to try it. So it looks like it is a Simply body wash, and then you get kind of like a loofah thing, and then a fresh and light cold pressed ultra hydrate anytime lotion. That's nice. I'm excited to try this. This is stuff I actually wanted to try. So thank you so much, Llewellyn. Let's see what else she got me. You did not have to do this. Oh, it's a pretty little hat. I love it. It's a black little hat with a little thingy on the top. It's glittery. I gotta find the tag so I don't put it on backwards. Loving it. I love it. I'm wearing this. I love it. I love hats. I love hats. I have not worn a hat yet this winter because it hasn't been like crazy. So So, this is the last and final item. Thank you so much. Ooh. What is this? It's a sleep set. And it's so soft. I love pajamas. I love pajamas, especially, oh, this is sweet. It's like a little nightgown. Loving it, because I've been wearing nightgowns sometimes. And then there's my cat that just hit me. And then some nice soft, fuzzy socks. Thank you, Llewellyn. That is so generous of you. So sweet. Okay, I'm going to open Charlotte's box because she doesn't know exactly what's going on. And then I'm going to call Benjamin down here. Now I'm going to surprise you, Llewellyn. I'm going to do that. Yep. I'm going to surprise you. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. So, I think this is the bottom. I don't know if this is no, this label's on the top. Okay. So, it looks like her kid drew a reindeer. I'm not sure, I'm assuming it was Sam that maybe drew that, but it's so cute. I'll put that on our fridge. Okay. Oh, little Hello Kitty wrapping paper. So cute. Oh, okay, this is adorable. I'm giving this to her right away. It's a little piano. She will love that. Okay, that is awesome. I'm giving that to her right away. Yeah, she's gonna love it. This feels like something soft. Oh, it's a little pajamas, I think, maybe. Oh, this is something she'll grow into. What size is this? 18 months. That is adorable. I wish I could wear this. Like, I really want to wear that. I really do. I do. I know you guys are like, Jennifer, really? Okay. Nice little thing right here. Oh, you know what? I actually needed tub toys because all the ones that we had from Ben all got gross and like moldy inside them. And I'm like, we need to get her more tub toys. And then Ben and I were at Target 2 days ago and he's like, Mom, I want to get some tub toys. And I'm like, no, we'll get them later. Well, guess what? The kids have tub toys and she just loves chewing on this. She just loves playing with that. So thank you so much, Llewellyn. And then here's one more gift from her. And these are books, which I love. Ooh. You know what? Ben's going to love these too, actually. So she got Alice in Wonderland, which is actually Charlotte's theme of her room. So that is perfect. The Jungle Book. 101 Dalmatians, and then we got The Lion King. And I actually really like these books. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. These are great books. I mean, they go good together, and they're perfect. So, thank you so much, Llewellyn. I'm going to go get Benjamin, and I'm going to have him open your gift for him. Yeah, okay, I got Mr. Benjamin right here, and we got the box. So, there's another picture in here. And it is of
reindeer.
Another reindeer. Look at that. Uh-oh. Show everybody what she got you. Show everybody.
I really hate M&M's.
Since when do you hate M&M's?
I don't like them.
He loves M&M's. I don't know why.
I don't like them anymore.
Oh, anymore? But you did like 2 days ago? So she gave us Hershey Kisses, M&M's, and
I want to look at
cotton
this one.
candy.
Can I look at this one?
Oh. Can you show everybody what you're opening?
Forky and Dukable.
That's what you wanted.
Oh, sorry.
You got Forky and Dukable. You love those guys.
Woody.
What else did you get?
Woody.
Woody? Sweet.
Look at this big one down there.
And the big one, he's just wrapping them up. It's so crazy. Uh-oh. That's cool. Oops, scoops. How high can you stack the scoops? That actually looks like a fun game to play.
Let's play it right now.
You want to play it right now? Can you say thank you, Llewellyn?
Thank you.
Okay, well, he's going to go play that game right now.
I'm gonna go play with Daddy.
And go play with Daddy. So thank you so much, Llewellyn. That was like the fastest. He's been begging to open Christmas presents, and I'm like, no, you gotta wait till Christmas. But he's finally excited, and yeah, he's actually been wanting a Forky and Duke Kaboom, so this is perfect for him. And I know he'll play with these like crazy. I'm gonna go show Miss Charlotte her piano and the bathtub toys. You know, Llewellyn, thank you so much for being so generous. I was not expecting you to go this crazy, but thank you very, very much. Make sure you guys, you know, let Llewellyn know that she did an awesome job, you guys. Like, I was not expecting this at all. But, yeah, I gave her just a small gift, so don't be so sad, you guys. Like, I was not expecting her to give me anything at all. I just wanted to surprise her with something that I made. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you again so much, Llewellyn, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.